Hey guys, I'm Chloe.
I'm Jesslyn.
Today we came back from the last video of stacking our fidgets. So I guess we had a tie last round, so we're gonna do it again, but this time no friendly match. From the top, from the first to the last, we're all gonna be doing extreme. And punishment, you know what it is. Spin the mystery wheel of embarrassment. So let's get started.
Okay, so we're gonna start with
puppets and rock, paper, scissors to see who will go first. Or see who choose.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No! Wait, what? Okay, I'm gonna be going first.
You wanna go first? Okay. Which one do you want to start off?
No. Going actually.
Where must I
Go. Sorry guys. There's a police coming and we are supposed to scared and cannot more than 3 people and we must wear a mask. There is police. Okay, I'm gonna go extreme with this hexagon puppet and it's not very big or not very small, so I'm scared. Go there.
Okay, do go.
Yeah. Very chaos.
You want to do that?
I'm going this. Okay. I don't want myself to lose, so I'm gonna go like this.
I feel like we are playing friendly right now. Okay, I'll go.
No, I don't want myself to lose, that's why.
I'm going with this. You can't put it all like that. It's not gonna be good. So you cannot. Okay, whatever. This okay, but that one cannot. This one, okay. We have a choice of either puppets or mini puppets right now. So I think for now, I'm gonna choose mini puppets to secure it better. Better if we secure another one.
My turn.
There's not much space, but I mean, are we playing friendly match right now? I feel like we are.
My turn.
Just stack behind so that it won't drop. Stack another one at the back. Oh wow, we are wasting on the. Okay, I think I'm gonna just. Okay, I'm gonna continue stacking some puppets. I'm gonna stack some right over here. Okay. Favorite puppet?
Wait, we have mini puppets to choose, right? Can
Yeah.
we choose this one?
Oh, anything.
I feel like we are playing
This one
friendly.
you should put it like so that the mouth is sticking. Use another puppet. Use another.
Going to go with this one.
No, okay. Let me do. You do something. I'll do it.
I'm gonna be doing something else and I'll go with extreme, right?
Yes, extreme. I'll do that. No. For the second one, you can choose either puppets or mini puppets. The mini puppets, this one can, but you cannot choose like octopus or simple dimples.
Okay.
Or you can't choose this yet. So you want to play?
Yes, this one I want to go.
No, this is what you want. Okay, it's getting higher and higher. Let's just move it. Sorry. I feel like the phone's gonna drop. I mean the camera's gonna drop.
Wait. Okay, is it my turn?
Yes.
Now I'm gonna be using. Wait, no, I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna secure it a bit.
Okay, next I'm gonna use this puppet and I'm just gonna secure right down here by using one more.
Okay, I'm gonna go with this one to secure it even more.
Okay, next one I'm gonna go with hold on, let me check. I think I'm gonna secure the back over here with one puppet. Wait, actually, see that
sure
one?
where do we
I think I'm gonna put like a smaller one like
Can we put this here? Okay.
Okay, my turn. I'm gonna do puppet, mini puppet. There's few left, there's a little bit left. We're doing right below down here now. So we're just
Okay, I'm gonna go with this.
I think I need to move everything there.
This is gonna be tough. Okay, your turn.
This one, right over here. Alright! Time to go with simple dimples, or even this, or even octopus, or even this damn thing. Alright, I'm gonna start with deathmatch octopus. No need.
My turn. Go with a simple.
I say I answer already. My turn? Excuse me. I'm good at that. Damn! You can do this.
I'm so sorry. Gonna go with this and put it.
Oh wait, actually no.
Put it right at the. No, I think I should use this one.
Yes, it's smart.
Okay, got it.
Okay, my turn. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna put it right over here. Let's show you the results. If we shoot from this angle, it's so much easier to see. I'm the one who put this here, and she's the one who put a simple dimple here. I put this octopus. I mean, she put this octopus. I put this octopus. It's getting higher and higher and higher. Okay.
Okay. Zooming out. What else can we use? I'm gonna go with. Can we go for this?
Marble meshes.
Marble mesh. Right over here.
I'm going to do cocktails. It's my specialty. Gonna put it right over here.
My turn. I'm also gonna go with.
Oh, by the way, I forgot to say something. If when we are doing extreme, right, this is the level. One thing drop, we die. I mean, not die, we lose. Okay, I'm gonna be doing snapper now. Right a blue color.
I'm gonna do
Better make sure.
night balls. I'm gonna go extreme. Don't tell me what to do.
I'm not telling you. I'm doing wacky track. Putting it right over here.
I'm doing another marble mesh and putting it right over here.
Wacky track. Time to go.
This clay thing. Let's go. Put it right here.
Oh my god, this is getting intense. I'll put this right here. Okay, your turn.
Okay. So I'm gonna go with wacky track. Put it right here.
Oh my gosh. Wacky track right here. Did you drop it?
You dropped one too.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
Your turn.
I'm gonna go with a leader.
Oh my. I'm gonna go with this house just low and put somewhere extreme right here.
Let's go easy. This thing right up there.
Bruh.
Go, quick, go.
Can you push this?
Yeah, sure. It's your fault. I mean, you're the one who did this.
This one. Right here.
Smart. You know what? I'm going this stress ball right on top at this. Oh my god, I think it's gonna drop. Go.
This little thingy. Yeah, stress ball DIY
Stress ball right over here. I need it.
A mochi.
I need. Okay. Take the on top one.
I need two.
Taking this mochi. Put it right here.
I'm gonna do monkey noodles.
Yeah,
Right.
me too.
You know, actually, I'm gonna do this so I can put it up there so that there's space.
I'm
But
gonna
it's a
put
death
this.
match. We are both winning. No, why don't? Whoever's item drop, item drop loses. Let me say if it's my turn, but your item drop, that means it's your fault. But then I can't purposely do it. I'm still going with mochi. I'm gonna put it right up there.
No, I'm getting scared. I'm going with this mochi.
This mochi.
No, wait.
This I'll take it out first. It drops, you lose. I'm gonna put this right over here.
Perfecto. This monkey noodle. It's hair.
Monkey noodle.
This pineapple mochi.
This big fat mochi right over here.
I'm scared. I'm so scared.
I'm not scared.
There's this mochi. Wait. Nowhere to put that. No other.
I realized we have two more. We have two more of this.
Okay, so I'm gonna go with this.
You wanna do that? I'm going with this.
You wanna do that?
Yes.
Wait.
Right, I'm doing this right over here.
Wait, this is the last one.
You're doing for 10 seconds. Let me show you the result. This is freaking crazy right now.
Go back.
Hey, go ahead.
Put this right here. I put this right here.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, count.
10,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The tie.
Again?
Okay, next video we are going to do even more extreme. I have an idea, but one more thing, we're going to try this out first.
Adios, love y'all, peace.